Hey ladies, entrepreneurs, mom bosses, girl bosses, hair bosses. Hey y'all. So I just wanted to come to y'all real quick because I know that, as a small business, startup businesses, we're all trying to save money. We're all trying to cut costs and everything like that. And we're also trying to, still present ourselves in a professional manner. So I wanted to come to y'all real quick just with this hack that I'm sure it's not new, but I just want to put it out there for people who were looking for alternative options for bundle wraps. I was able to DIY mine. And so what I did is I pretty much I had originally reached out to my vendor and asked them about like packaging and bundle wraps and everything, and they had a great deal. They were offering 1,000 bundle wraps for $35, and then they would keep them in the factory so that whenever I do my pre-orders, as they send them to me, they could just wrap the hair. And it's a great deal, but the only thing is I'm hands-on, so I would want them here with me. So two, I didn't want to have to pay for shipping, because to have just that shipped over, I'm sure would have been like the normal dang near $30 rate to ship something, like that. And then thirdly, I was looking at, US vendors for stickers and stuff like that. I know Sticker Mule, Vistaprint, 24-hour or next day printing or something like that. There was a bunch of sites I had Googled that do like stickers and stuff like that. But I was trying to just keep my costs really, really low. I'm on a budget, financially in my regular life and in my business, but I'm trying to invest as much as possible. So I'm gonna just cut to the chase. So what I did is I made my own bundle wraps. I used Canva, and I just came up with it. I just did a standard design with my logo, my brand colors, and it was actually the same design that my vendor had came up with. Or it's similar, but I have more control because it's, I created my logo and everything. And I also do like graphic design, but that's another story for another day. Long story short is I just created them. So the dimensions that I used when I created my design was 5 inches by 1.5 inch. And I just printed them out. This is one piece of paper. I was able to fit 10 onto one piece of paper. And like I said, this is my logo with the colors. My colors are pink and brown and white, and I'm just going to cut those out and tape on my bundle wraps. I feel like that's the easiest way to do it. People are gonna pull these bundle wraps off anyways, but it gives that little touch for the moment, and then they can pull it off and do what they're gonna do with the hair. So I hope this helps somebody. The DIY, I'll come back and show like a clip, either like a video, another video, or just a picture of how they look cut out and on the hair. And then I hope somebody else can take this and use this. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with if you want to have stickers and all that other stuff to to do, but for somebody who's looking like just to, like I said, just to cut costs, just to not have to worry about that, I was able to print these out. I mean, you can go to like Kinko's or something like that, or if you have your own printer, you can print them, but I did mine at work, okay? So yeah, my job doesn't care about stuff like that, but yeah, I print them out here for free and kept it moving, boo. So like I said, I'll come back when they're cut out, and let me know if this helped you. Like, subscribe to my channel, my page on Facebook, Chocolate Beauty Inc.